Hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. This is your simple and fun family. Today, I will go to the everyone. The ducks. The ducks is waiting with me. I have to go and give the bread. I will go, everyone. I give the bread to the ducks. I wear like this only, everyone, because yeah, like this only I wear. I do not wear the kalo. Oy, it's not necessary. Kay na-miss na nako ang mga ducks, everyone. Oy, na-miss na nako sila. Oy, I have to give the bread, everyone. Then later I will go to the store and buy a dessert, yeah. Dessert. He needs a dessert, yeah. Ice cream, he said the ice cream. 21 degree here, everyone. 21. They needs ice cream for the dessert. Have a sun today, everyone, but the wind is a little bit cold. Let's go, everyone. Go to the ducks, the wild ducks. We give bread. I'm not long, everyone. Very quick on that. Let's go. Ay, ako, Roy, I forgot. Everybody. I have to bring my water in case if we are thirsty. I forgot. Wait, everyone. It's not good. I have to bring water every walking with me. I have to bring the water because lisura ni watay kameraman, oy. Asa naman tong ako ang bag nga usa, oy. Where is my other task? Where is the other one? Ay, daghang bag, everyone, daghan. Kailangan po akong mag-ano. I have to wear this one because I have a water. I forgot to bring my water. It's not good. I have to bring water because if I am thirsty, then I have to drink. Direction to the ducks, yeah, ducks. We go to the ducks kaya the ducks is hungry na, oy. Hungry. Isura ning. Kinahanglan ang ako ang kuan. Cover sa head i-out kay para ready na. Like that, everyone. Naputol. Like that, everybody. Mahog po ni akong baat. Ay, hugton sa ako baat, everyone. Kay, guys, hugton sa kay luag. Itarong og bugkos ya. Maagi pa ko store kay mapalit ko kuan. I have to buy for the kiddos a dessert ya. Dessert. The dessert is the ice cream of the kiddos. You see to me, I have to buy. It's a little bit okay now, everyone, but so sa tong buna niya, sinawa. Let's go. I'm not long. Very quick only. Because later I have to make the iron. Yeah. Iron means is you have to make the iron, yeah, gritty. Let's go, everyone. This way I have to go, everyone. A little bit cold, yeah. Sinawa buna. So, like that, everyone. Later I have to give water in the afternoon. The plants, the plants water. Yeah. Grown ora. Di na mauwas li some smile kay. Pila na ko ini. Ang bill is coming na. Ay, I cannot make their video. Everyone is not allowed. It's not allowed to my dentist. It's not allowed mo. What a nice weather today. Perfect. Perfecto. Ay, like that na tayo everyone. So, dili na ako ipakita sa kung naong everyone. Oy, there na lang. Pero kita mo sa mga view there. So, yesterday I forgot to on my, I forgot to on my, my mic. The bread everyone, or the bread, the full bread. Full of bread I have to give ya. I forgot to on the mic. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, Lisa. It's getting old, Lisa. Yeah. I'm always in talking, but the mic is not on. Here. I have to put there in the view, everyone. Huh? Now like that, yeah. Very nice. The trees, everyone. Oh, have a leaves now. Last time the leaves is flowers, but that last time. Now it's the leaves now. The light green now. After that, dark green. Ay, namiss ako ang inti. Oy, kinahanglan ko tagaan sila og kuan. Pan. Namiss na ko. Last week I cannot visit him. I have a lot to termine. Dentist, yeah. A little bit long in the dentist. I am everyone, yeah. He said to me, 1 hour and a half, no. It's not 1 hour, oy. 3 hours. To make nicely, I have to go back on May 1. May 1. My term is the May 1. Appointment again. Another bill, yeah. Another bayad. Another bayad. Tambuka baka, everyone. Oh, the cow. Look, the cows. Oh, everywhere, tambuka. What kind of cow? It's so tambuk, eh. Very quiet, everyone. Oh, very quiet. Look, the cows there is so, everyone. Oh, tambuka. Or that is the cows, Marcelia. Friend of my husband. Eating a fresh grass, everyone. The cows. The cow is eating. There in the store. You have to buy the ice cream for my kiddos. Yeah. You said to me, buy ice cream, mama. He doesn't have a time to buy because he go in the school. He go in the school. I am the one who buy. Mama only. The wind is the wind is the cold. Yeah. Dali ta kay wala pa kay auto. Everyone. Yeah. Very nice, everybody. Very quiet. Very quiet, yeah. Because I have a bread. It's still good for eating, so everyone that is. I do not eat because that is I have to give for the ducks, yeah. Happy ang ducks yung taka-bread. You have to give ya bread. Very quiet everybody. The train is there now. Pass already train everyone. You cannot see the pass already. A lot of building here. Very quick for the train pass. He doesn't wait me. He doesn't wait me. I cannot make video. I walk very fast everyone. I will show the train. You can see. Sa ons Lisa laba man everyone. I was the laundry 2 times. After halay gunos Lisa ya. After halay. Ay, mikit pa pangka. After pangka mikit. Pangka is halay. Nang halay pa ko eh. After halay guna ya. I hope I can make upload to everyone. Yesterday I was with a scooter ya. Second time my scooter I was yesterday ya. Very quick when I go back in the house. My hand pa yung touching of my hand, my camera agoroy na off pa I cannot see babay. Sorry everybody. So touching take off my cellphone off. He said to me, so I said you have to I have I have to say bye bye. You touch ya. touching my hand. Oh my God. Sorry everybody. Sometimes it's like that everyone. Sometimes yeah. It's nil pasirt ya. It's nil happen ya. I mean pasirt it happen ya. It happened ya. Hi. In the top of that building very high. Next week. The invite with my family there. Yeah. I have to bring something everyone. Friend of my husband. The wife like pancit. I have to make pancit. Yeah. Pancit. She like to eat pancit. Yeah. Almost I forgot to bring water. Almost. I go back. I go back. We go out. We have to be low to have a water. Yeah. Very quiet everyone. Why is there something man here? Something. Anybody? Come. Anybody is forget here. Anybody forget the wait. Yeah, I hope you can see it will be. You can see. Anybody will forget. Come here. Come. Ta. Morning eating ya. Morning eating. Ta. Hihi. Ta. The train everyone is upstairs. Oh. The train upstairs. Oh. I don't know where is the ducks and the wild ducks. I don't know. I will give you because I don't like to throw. Normally it's still okay this one everyone. Soft bread one everyone soft bread yeah. That is good for the ducks because it's not It's not hard. Oh, eat now. Come here. Don't be asked, oy. Don't be scared. Come on. Hey. Others coming. So I don't know where is the wild birds. The wild birds is not here. Come na, eating now. No, eating in na. Sound the others very far na. Come, don't be scared. I am not touching you. Yeah. I do not touch with you, hoy. Eat now. Mm. Ah, eat now, yeah. Yee-hee-hee-hee. Mm. I still have there, everybody. I still have. I have to give all. I will give all. Yeah. I miss the boat. I like to go with the boat with Padir. Yeah. Mm. The other is not hungry. We will go anywhere. In the morning, it's not so hungry. Yeah. In the morning, it's not so hungry. Maybe later. I don't know. Maybe later. Mm. We have to throw this one. We have to throw the other one. I don't know they will eat this one or not. Yeah. If they doesn't like to eat, I will throw. I still have a here. Oh, slice already, everyone. Oh, slice already. Da. Slice already. But he doesn't like. I don't know. It's not so hungry. I like to give. It's not so hungry, everyone, in the morning. The birds are the behind the forgot the ducks. Yeah. The inti. Relaxing naman na sila. Oy, I don't know man. Oy. What happened here? Yung Malay will eat that is not hungry by the morning. It's not so hungry. I'm alone with everyone. I'm alone. That's why I am always looking in the back. It's not so hungry, everyone. I don't know. It's still morning, everyone. That's why. Yeah. Breakfast ba? Breakfast for the ducks. Maybe later they're hungry. Yeah. But the fish can eat that. Yeah. The fish. The fish can eat this one. If he doesn't eat it, the fish. Yeah. Doesn't like everyone. It's not all I gave this one. Yeah. I don't know everyone. Maybe I will throw this one. He doesn't eat all. Yeah. I will throw the remaining everyone. Yeah. I throw. He doesn't eat all. Man. So let's. The still breed in the water. The ducks is so. Oh, leftover. Tingnan. Older. Tugo na iguan. Piruya. Turia. The store of the ice. Buy ice cream for my kid. The kiddos. We don't have ice cream, ma. With banil and chu. Look, the river, everyone. Oh, very nice. Oh. The tree is disturbing. Buy ice cream. There's one guy is coming. Walking with a dog. Training. See, my dog. I like to eat isda, yeah. Fish for the lunch, yeah. Some people walking to the other side. Oh, very nice. Mura weather. When it's nice weather, people will go out, everyone. It's not only in the inside the house. They will go out, yeah. What a nice, my God. Beautiful, yeah. So nice, yeah. I love it, yeah. What a wunderschön. Plus the clouds, oh. White and blue. Wow. I have to go now, everyone. Me and we are Migro, yeah. It's okay. I can make a later, everyone. Very quiet, everybody, yeah. It's only the trees is disturbing, yeah. The tree. The tree is very disturbing, the trees, yeah. Nobody is here now, everyone. Ah, the train, the after the no. Oh, the train is like a plane. I gotta pass. I got to pass. I have to. Look at that. Oh, beautiful one. Look with the mother. Wow. 6 pieces, everyone. Oh, wow, dah. The mother make a training now, yeah. Wow, first time I saw have a kinder now, dah. Have a children also. You see, getting me in everyone because the house is over there, oh, in the bamboo tree. What a nice. Ah, first time I saw everyone. First time I saw there is the small one with the mother, yeah. You very quiet. Very nice exercise in the morning. And after the lunch is very hot. Very hot. I have so many allergy. Yeah. Because there is many side. They make a house for everyone. Meeting many everyone, yeah. In the top of the have the train everyone. I'll pass our train again going to Zurich. Zurich, yeah. What an but the water is very cold. Hi, so many here everyone go out in the water. Oh, make it dry the body. Why they doesn't go to the other side? There is the bread the other side. Yeah, very nice color everyone. Oh, yeah, relaxing. Yeah. Hello. Are you now hungry? You have to go to the other side. There is the bread. I will give to the other side bread. Yeah. I think you are not here. You are here. I'm so sorry. Yeah, we'll go back in the water now. Yeah. Relaxing. Everyone, make it a dry. Beautiful. Let's see. Look. Wow. Reflection. My God. Super. Very nice. Yeah. So many there. Oh, Peter, I will give lang here if I know there is also here. The rest is I throw away. The trash can everyone. No, nobody will eat. Man doesn't like to eat the other side. Four pieces, four slice. I will throw. If I know pa is there, I do not throw. Sayang. Oh. You have to go make your everyone, yeah, in the store buy ice cream. Hi, slowly to go up, Lisa, slowly. So we are downstairs. Quiet, yeah. Ah, kami bro. Ah, train everyone, sorry. Na timingan si Lisa. That is the start. When the train will pass here, go away, other will go up. I think that is the S11 building. Guy doesn't stop in the other number that yeah. The export is coming. Export the train. Ah, cargo train lah. Ready the tank ya. Ready the tank. The tank for the oil, I think the oil. Export ya. Export. I have a good time when I will pass here because here is the road, everyone. That's why I cannot go away. I have to go direct to the direction of the store. Yeah. I have to take the time, everyone. I have to make a iron, yeah. Ay, Diyos ko. Buhay nanay, laban. I make it 2 times already washing. I make iron again. The body is there cleaning the garden. What a nice, yeah. People's now starting the garden now, yeah. Ay, look, the Berpani of the head only cargo. Where is the head? Where is the body? It's only the head. The body is waiting over there, I think. Very nice. Very nice. Everyone enjoy it, everyone. I have to go to the other side, everyone. What's that? Here is a shortcut, yeah. The store. Bambuk na yun, hope. Ay, getting hot and hot na. Ay, this way is going back in the house, everyone. I have to go to the store. I have to buy the ice cream, yeah. Ice cream. Go in the shadow, everyone. There is a small shadow there. Look, the building, everyone. Oh, brand new. Brand new. Mahalat, everyone. Brand new. Huh? Brand new building, yeah. Finish now last year. They will make 2 years. I think it's finished. Almost 1 year. I don't know very fast finish. Eh? Very fast. Very quick. Let me finish. Yeah. Nah, the train station is talking. Talking. Radio. Everyone radio. They announce. Yeah. He announced that when the train is delayed, but no more delay for everyone. On time, yeah. No more delay. No more express here. No more delay, yeah. No late. Nah, ada parking so many parking there. Nah, dicari ya restoran ya. Dan hop. You have to go here. "35 minutes where everyone 35. You can make one upload until the house. Yeah. The train station, everyone train station. Negro ta. Okay, stop it. Okay, I'm coming man ya. Automatic mo na stop. Look, oh, building. They change the color ya. That color last time is different now. That they will change a nice color now. Dirty color now. Dirty. Gray. Dark green na dark. Dah, look, oh. Ay, Diyos ko. Everyone, enjoy everyone. I go back to this house after na. I go back to the house after buy a ice cream. In the building, everyone. Oh. All the building they change new color. Yes, the guys there. Dali ka tayo out ya. Yeah. The store, everyone. I have to go inside. Migros store. That Migros. Go inside, everyone. You go inside. The store here. Greens Barkley. The store here. Yes, I have to buy the symbol. Looking for the glass here. You like almond? This one you like, this one? Oh. This one. Ay, One. This one, I think. The 86 really like. Here is the story, everyone. Story. Maxia Almond by two, everyone. Hindi na to ikuan sa yan, like ko to. Sino ya?
Das sind zwei drin, ja. there.
Jetzt die zweimal bitte. Ja.
Hier?
Zweimal.
Zweimal.
Danke. So, schönen Tag, Adi. I have to make it nicely. Wait, everyone. Yep. Wait. I just forgot put it. I put everyone in the bag. Everyone I have a bag. Yeah. Saong the kiddos like that ice cream the kinder eh. It's enough yeah. It's enough. So, ich bin jetzt finito. I put away in the bag da. 2 bucks. Syarong mahurot na dali everyone. 2 bucks na nila. Ice cream I buy everyone because it's to me. This is to me mama buy. We don't have ice cream here ma. I said okay. Bigro ya. Bigro. Have to go home everyone. This only this. We go back in the house na kaya I have to lunchtime. Yeah. A little bit in the underground. Oy. Shortcut for the traffic ya. Make it so. Everyone. Now we have to go back now. How's everyone? The opera restaurant umili. We are going na. It's 19 franc whole chicken. And that is the opera. But if you buy 12 franc only everyone yeah. Kilo ya. Direct ice cream is in here. Direct butang kurang gitu. Itu dah rib ya. Siya madali ka hurot. 16 pieces this. That is the last there too. There of the orange. Anyway, they will arrange. No more they arrange again. Everyone. Guys, there is a lot of stuff there. Mickey, they're all because make only very quick. Very quick only. Ice cream only I buy. Every Friday I am low. I will go. I do not make the list yet. Stop on the list before I go. Today I do not make it just only. For a kiddos ya. I feel no till everybody. 50 minutes bro. An hour I think over. can make upload today everyone. The workers guys here. Municipal. See the clean ora. Go out you put inside. Yan eh. Saon mga anak. Kaya laban madir. Da guys oh. Kana daghang ipang labay diri guys oh. Okay pa oh para baby oh da. Throw away na that. You will throw that. I have there now. No chance na. I will keep that good. We will see. It's depending ako. Her baby's girl, yeah. Importante sa habit and sleep, yeah. Ay, dahan-dahan na tani pasakay biro padung tas babaw ni. Ay. Luli ang lisaw walking everyone. I cannot pass na. Ayo ganda ka na shadow. I cannot walk very fast no. Slowly but sure. No. Airplane there. Airplane is there. Yeah, we pass in the school, the kindergarten school. We pass there. Ay, bugat po rin isang ice cream. Oh. Bugat. Bugat po rin ice cream. Oh. 2 bucks for the buy big. Nah, wala na. The flowers everyone da. Remember everyone, hindi ka puto hera. Wala na, pulling down na. Sayang. Nah, no more flowers. Ay, next year again. When the leaves will go out, flowers goes away. First is the flowers, yeah. Ay. Part rin yun. Bugat po rin siyang ice cream. Oy. Looks like 4 kilos everyone. Oy. Almost 5 bugat. Oy. Swear. Ah, heavy. Ay. Agontay na hanya. Sao mga anak nga. Inahanglan o dessert. Kidus. I'm very thirsty, bro. I have to drink water now. So no more time now. We are almost in the house, everyone. Passing so in the house. I hope I can make upload today, everyone. I have to take the time. I've seen it 3 days. I cannot make upload last time because I have a lot of termini appointment. Now we are almost in the house, yeah. Almost good, everyone, yeah. Happy na may kiddos little open the rape dessert. We have to wait, the horse is there. Ay, kutasan rin sa pasaka, itaas eh. The horse goes away. I will put in the area over there, eating the fresh grass. The horse, yeah, needs to move the body. Really railing, everyone over there. Go out of the railing, have everything. Yeah. We are in the house. Look, the coffee, the coffee. My sister will give that, yeah. Look, oh, nice flowers, everyone. Oh, lavender, look, oh. Look, very nice flowers, everyone, yeah. Yeah, lavender, yeah. In my tree. So, we have to go. Finish everyone. I was ready to the ducks. After the ducks, everyone go home, Lisa. Buy ice cream. Very hot na everyone needs ice cream, kiddos, yeah. Ay, praise the Lord, hallelujah. Thank you, God. I'm here now, yeah. Ilak na to everyone kay we do not know. Take off sang Lisa, everyone, ha. I take off sa my coat, yeah. I take off my coat and my shoes, yeah. Diyos ko, God. Stress, but it's okay, everyone. It's normal muna, eh. It's normal. With mother, it's normal. When the children like to eat the dessert, mother has to buy. The mother has to buy. I think na off ang akong mic, everyone. Oy, sus Diyos ko, oy. Ha, don't off, yun ha. Don't off. Kaya yesterday, I always talking, I forgot to on. ah, ah, yesterday, I make it, but yes, I forgot to on gibatoy. Beginning, Lisa, again, back, again to the beginning, yeah. Sa on, I forgot, man. I take off my shoes, everyone, ha? Guys, I take off my shoes, guys, kay kailangan na taan ni guys nga ma-move taan ni. Ay, arrange Lisa's nail. I arrange the ice cream, otherwise it's getting molten, everyone. I have to arrange everyone. We have to go, everyone, in the kitchen, everybody, ha? We go in the kitchen, yeah. I have to arrange quick. Ay! Ay! Buhay nanay! Nanay, laban! Laban nanay para sa mga anak ya. Arin sa ko everyone, hi. Arin sa everyone. Ay arin sa indarip ya. Like that. Da 8 pieces ang one box. 8 pieces. Paborito sa kong mga anak ni siya kay naaman ni siya. Nuts. Nuts. I buy 2. Siya ro mahuro ta dayon 1 week. Mubay against Lisa na Friday. Friday. This one favorite everyone, my children da. My kiddos. Favorite ya. Maxi ya. Classic Maxi Almond. Mao ni paborito nila. With nuts ya. Not only my children will eat everyone. My husband as well will eat as well. My husband. Just only me, I don't like. I don't like. Sometimes only lang I don't like na. Once a year, Lisa, it depends. When it's very hot na. Sometimes I don't like na. We have to arrange everyone kaya otherwise it's getting molten. Dari-dari kong walking everyone. Oy, I walk very fast because otherwise it's getting molten. Oy, Diyos ko. When it's getting molten, gus kaputin ya. Kaput na molten. Aha. We have to arrange ya. I arrange everyone. Wait everyone ha. Guys, wait guys. Arrange sa Lisa guys. Kay buhay nanay guys. Laban. Kaon ng mga anak na ganahan. Mamukaon. Ima napugnan ko. Uy. Kaon ni sila dessert after eating sa dinner. Ngayon na sila uga. Dessert ya. Pwede yan siya down. Kay mama. No more ice cream, mama. No more. There is a cowboy, everyone cowboy, the other kind of ice cream, but only my daughter will eat. My son doesn't like. My son will like this, yeah. Buy this, all my daughter as well. But I have to buy. You like, yeah. You like. Sukar po kung sipon, everyone. Nawa man, tas lisam kaon ice cream. Hi. So, everyone. Ani, everyone, papersamlong na po everybody. Lalabay na po siya sa recycling. Hi. Labay na po siya sa recycling, everyone. Yan. Because we don't have to keep the, like that, no. Gaarin si Lisa, I forgot to hand wash my hands. Oh, I forgot. Sorry, I forgot ya. Because otherwise, it's getting molten. Anyway, I do not touch over there, everyone. You know, I do not touch. It's only the bread I give to the auntie. Hello, hello. I have to prepare my fish for the lunch. Because I like to eat fish, everyone, for lunch. Sardines, everyone. Pinubre lang sa everyone, oy. Pinubre. Sardines, everybody. I like to make fried. After this one, everyone, I have to make the iron sauce, Lisa. Walang katapusan ang trabaho ni Lisa sa bahay. Life is go on, everybody. Kuha sa kuanan everyone, kuhaan og ulo. I don't like the head, everyone. I don't like to eat the head, no. Ano man ni siya, ini-stack up man ni siya, oy. Lah. Stuck up siya, everyone. Na-stuck up siya, everybody, oy. Ay, nasud iyang tumoy dito sa kuan, oh. Nasulod iyang tumoy. My goodness, God. Tuan ni kuan everyone, ulo. Ulo ka na tinai. Pobre na ko diri everyone, ha. Sa gaingon nga rich is not rich. That is not totoo. Ang totoong buhay ko po ay makita nyo kung ano po ako dito. I'm not a rich, ya. Eat lang po ako, oy, kung anong mayroon. Sardines, oh, prituhon, pahit na ni, oy. Pahit na. Hindi na po tayo magkailangan ng mga special ng pagkaon. Sometimes na kung maka-afford ta. Everyone. Hiwa sa tag sardines, ibon kuhaan og ulo og tinai, everyone. Prituhon, everyone, pahit na na, oy. Before ko mugo, everyone, after ako maghalay, pagawas man ko daan, I put out. Because when I'm back, ready na. Ready na. Just only now we have to clean, ya. Put the powder, ya. Black pepper, salt, tsaka ahos powder, mamutumot, ya. Pahit na. Nothing is special to my life. Nothing. We are only a simple, everyone. I'm poor, everyone, ya. My husband also is not rich. Kaon na siya, everyone. Unsay akong lutuon, everyone. Kaon na mo eat na. Hi, thank you, Lord. Kaya nakagawa si Lisa sa ducks, ya. Gave the bread, but the ducks is not hungry. He's not hungry. Normally, I will give 2 o'clock mura, everyone. 2 o'clock is very hungry na in 2 o'clock. Yeah. In the morning is not. Not so, I don't know. Maybe anybody already will give. Maybe. Because there, anybody had they will forget for the kinder, the coat, yeah. I saw there. Hatuan, ilimpiyuhan og tarong, everybody. Kay ipiro na I will clean only. I put in the plastic, everyone. Kay mas stack up itong lababo ni everyone. Mas stack up sa mga himbis, everyone, ya. Puyar ba yung take off ang kuan lababo? Kapoy take off, oy. It's not easy. Yan, ni mahong perfume na raba na. Ni maho ng perfume. So, plastic, ya. I hope gasiga pa ning akong kuan, oy. Mike. Are you okay, everybody? Hi, this is for everyone. Wait, everyone. I have to clean, everyone. Kinahanglan siya, everyone. Hugasan, everyone, ya. Nalimot, tajud kong hiwa. Oy, kinahanglan siya hiwaan. Para nikaon niya ba? Ready na. Maglikit-likit na, oh. Like that ba? Asin na lang ibutang. Ini pahit na ni. Gusto na ko prituhon ni siya sayo. Para inikaon niya ready na. I like to cook na. Kay mangutaw na Lisa after this one. Look, everyone, oh. 7 pieces, everyone. Last time also 7, also I cook, everyone, 7. My husband will eat na this one, everyone. Guys, my husband will eat sardines. Eat na siya, oy. Eat ng sardines kung bana. Wala nang pili na. Nothing sa special ya. To ang hiwaan para nigprito niya ba magliki ya. Kuan. Surok ang ihang asin. I have to take care sa himbis everyone kay so mas stock up sa lababo. Mag-anger kung bana o kuan. Take off lababo ya. Patir bang humuta. Kapuya. So, ako asa ning iyabo everyone ha. Iyabo, I have to throw away this one in the iniduro everyone. Plus ni siya i-plus. Na-plus na. Plus sa lababo everyone. Kaya mo stock up here everyone ha. Sa na lamang everybody. Tapos no pa-stock up here kay lang pagbutangan na pag powder, downy, liquid, agoy, spray, kapuya. At least nga nakuha na siya na plus na kasilya siya. Dali aras time. Uy, 10 o'clock na over everybody. Uy. I'm very hungry everyone. Uy. I don't have morning is eating. I'm not hungry in the morning. Normally I will eat, but when I'm busy, I'm eating. I forgot. First, I have to make my kiddos. Yeah. I have to slowly cooking everyone. Sana all okay lang po kayo dyan. Mag-cooking na Lisa everyone. I have to put the powder everyone ya. Nahanglan siya powder everyone ya. Powder ahos ya para humut-humut ba. At saka salt. Black pepper. Pahit na. My daughter also everyone will eat also this one with rice. No problem. Just only ang anak akong lalaki. The Alex only doesn't like with bones. My son only doesn't like with bones. He like pili. Pili lax ya. Without bones ya. Sayor to mauli rong hapon 3 o'clock is here in the house everyone. Every Monday very early they come home everyone. Excuses guys ya. Very early na come home in the Monday. Ahos, salt, at saka black pepper. Para pawa sa anghit everyone ba? Anghit. Kailangan kumpleto ang recipe. Pag hindi kumpleto, hindi masarap. Hindi masarap ang pagkain pag hindi. Kailangan kumpleto. Diyos ko God. So, I have to cook this one everyone. Guys, we cook now guys. Sana mas Lisa Uses. I don't have reserve oil everyone Don't have reserve oil. Forgot to buy Friday last Friday. It's not in my list I follow only to my list. Sikma sa everybody. Sikma sa. Hinaw po kaya kailangan dito maghinaw. Ay, ang vitamins. Vitamins. Hindi ka mahinaw ang vitamins, oy. Sos, Diyos ko. Oh, touchscreen, oh. Touchscreen, everyone. Touchscreen. Sana all. Sana all. Dito lang po ang touchscreen ko, everyone. Sa atin, everyone. Kahoy, everyone. Kahoy. Mahal ang gasol, everyone. Kahoy. Gutumin na everybody, oy. Gutuman na everyone. Oy, I have to eat banana, oy. Banana. Banana, I eat yan. I eat banana, everyone, yan. Ay, gutom na, guys. Gutom na. Kailangan na po tayong kumain. Hugasan sa everyone, guys. Daghang hitacha ni everyone. Touching finger. Hinahanglan hugasan. Ina to mahibawaan ang hitacha ni gisipon. O gisipon hitacha ni na. Hinahanglan hugasan. Diba? Hugasan yun na. Dito ka mo eat. Kaya ang bakterya. Ay, kain tamang banana everyone. Eat banana everyone. One only guys, because I'm hungry na guys, oy. Prito sa lisa isda. We have rice na. Yesterday evening, I make it only microwave warmer makya. Make it warm, microwave ya. Eat the banana everyone. At saka tubig, oh. Ang tubig na mo diri everyone, here is, we can drink everyone, no problem. The water. Hot and cold ang water here, the babo. I get the cold, yeah. Magbababay na po ako everyone, because I have to cook the fish, and after cooking fish, I have to make iron. Please subscribe to my YouTube, everyone. Don't forget that you are updated for the next vlog. Like and share to my YouTube channel and also to my Facebook page, please. Have a nice day to all, everyone. Take care po. Tayo lahat. Amping ang tanan, take care. Kay summer na everyone, very hot na in Pinas, everyone, Philippines. Over 40 degree na. Here is 20 over, we are everyone, 20 over ya. Hmm. 20. I make finish the fish, I make it fried, I make the iron, everyone, yeah. Make iron, because later I have to go with my scooter. I go later my scooter, yeah. I have to drive. Very nice weather, everyone, yeah. Cheers, everyone. I forgot, yeah. Cheers. Guys, I want to see you all, everybody. Bye-bye. Please like and share Subscribe everyone. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Magluluto na po ako ng fish everyone. For the lunch, after that I make iron. Bye, see you for the next vlog everyone. This is your simple and fun family. Bye-bye. Ingat po kayong lahat. Bye everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to the Facebook everyone. Like and share. Bye. Thanks. Bye-bye. See you next vlog. Bye.